What's going on, YouTube world? David here. It's been a while. This is my first video of the new year. Yeah, so in this video I just want to do a quick update on my channel, what I got planned for it this year. And first I want to do some tool unboxings, and my first planned out is the DeWalt orbital sander that I got for Christmas. Shout out to my grandparents, thank you very much. I just need to get some sanding discs for it, then I can unbox it and show you guys how it is. Also working on a dog ramp for Dexter, simple dog ramp. Just have this plywood piece I'm using. Just got to lay out and measure to support it better. Nothing too fancy, but it should work out real good for him. And also I have some wood carving ideas I want to get to. Look out for those. What else? Oh, I got this Boya M1 microphone. How's it sounding? Sounding good? First time using it. Hopefully it sounds good. It came with a little pouch. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, leave a comment below what you think about it. Hopefully it improves these videos. Also, I've been working on a logo. Cleve's Backyard Woodworking is going to get a logo hopefully this year. Still drawing out the ideas for that. I'm hand drawing it, so hopefully I can get that looking good. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.